If your QD OLED TV or monitor looks like this after a steamy internet session, you might need to clean it, but QD OLED is extremely fragile, so how do you properly wipe away your shame? Well, I reached out to Samsung Display directly and they sent me this official documentation. 1. Unplug your TV or monitor, and by the way, it probably would wait about 5 minutes as well. 2. Wipe away any excess dust, and here I would actually use a clean microfiber cloth. And by the way, I'll have affiliate links to all the products I use in this video in the description below. 3. Apparently Samsung wants you to use 70% ethanol to remove dirt. Now, I don't know about you, but I can't actually buy that, so I did actually confirm with them that 70% rubbing alcohol should be fine, so I bought this brand on Amazon that works great for me. But if you do use isopropyl or rubbing alcohol to clean anything, please don't use it near fire or anything that can start fires, and don't spray it near anything fabric, or probably indoors at all if you can help it. I personally sprayed on my second clean microfiber cloth in my garage, and I recommend reading the safety instructions thoroughly and wearing protective gear before using it or any chemicals. Use at your own risk. After I do spray it on though, I then gently wipe the screen from left to right until all blemishes disappear. But back to the guide. 4. Let the screen dry. They don't say how long, I just wait about 30 seconds, but your mileage may vary. And finally, 5. Finish the wipe. Quote, wipe the surface gently with a dry microfiber cloth or cloth for cleaning glasses. You want to use a light touch. So there you have it. According to Samsung themselves, that's apparently how you're supposed to clean it. Though I did add a little bit of context myself there as well, but works great for me. And I have actually been able to get rid of all oils or streaks or anything on my screen without leaving behind any residue. So they're probably right. This probably is the best way to clean a QD OLED display.